Hi guys, I'm just doing a little video because we're getting some inquiries in about hair not coming out with the wax application, and also asking if an overlay can be done with the waxes, and absolutely they can, because these are waxes that have a much lower melting point. So in answer to can you overlay, yes you can, but please you monitor the erythema that's on the skin. If the skin is too red and angry, then clearly it's not going to be good to do an overlay. I want to show you a technique on the upper lip because this is vellus hair, and traditionally hair that doesn't come out tends to be the soft fluffy vellus. So I want to show you an application to actually get all of the hair out. So we're going to do an application in the direction of the hair, and we're also going to do an overlay application reversely so that we can catch the vellus hair that hasn't come out first time. Okay, so firstly, the temperature of your peelable needs to be really key. It needs to be sat like a ball, so nice and thick. Then we're going to put a stretch in, going both directions on the lip or brow, whatever area that you're removing from, and we're going to go with the direction of hair growth. It's okay to go onto the lip with these waxes because some of those little vellus hairs sit right on the cusp of the lip line. So now we can let go of that stretch and allow the wax to shrink onto the hair. So that just takes a few moments to set, and then we can go ahead and remove. Always put your stretch back in on your removal and keep your stretch right underneath so you're fully supporting the lip. So that has got the bulk of the hair out. However, being fine and fluffy, we haven't got all of them out. So we're just going to do an overlay application in reverse. So clean spatula. We're going to put the stretch in exactly as we did before, but this time we're going to do our application backwards.